Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling like these crazy people.
What are you doing? Come on to the room.
No.
That's not it.
She's trying to do the floss dance.
Let me show you.
And she ain't doing it right. But anyway guys, we are...
Okay. Put your hand out. In. Out again. Cross. That means retarded. But that's how it is. See?
Okay. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling.
Always smiling.
So right...
You need a song, honey.
Right now we are at street food centers. Well, actually we're walking down. So it's like a small river setting for this month. Just to inform you guys a little bit more, this is a food event which is completely street inspired. You guys know that in Jamaica or anywhere, if you want to get the best food, it's normally from the streets. It's not nothing, you know, in no fancy restaurant and stuff. But the good thing about this is that the proprietor of this actual thing, she works at a university, but the last time I checked she did, and she has a high level of professionalism. So you don't know, say, oh, the food is going to be street food but with a huge twist to it. So I'm really excited about this, guys. You don't know, I love food, I know you guys love food, so let's get it.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
And they are too much makeup. She's not afraid of that.
Alright, so we're pretty much in the line right now, trying to put in our orders. I'm gonna show you guys like what the overall setup is.
Reservations here, so you're getting pork.
Guys, the menu.
He's getting pork.
Menu's kind of cool, but the prices are pretty.
What's the cow cod soup?
Cod?
Yeah.
This is the penis.
Ew.
Yeah.
Penis. You want cow penis soup? No, thank you. That'd be like literal cow body water. Just the coconut. Oh, thank you. Can I get the roast sheep?
Alright, so I'm here looking at the food. The food looks...
I'm right here.
The food looks amazing, but I'm a bit nervous because they're a little bit different like this.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, look at that plate.
I need a spider to work. It's too slow.
Hi. Hello. Hi. You want it full? Right there. I want it. What is that? You don't want
The corn pork and the barbecue ribs. How many ribs?
one. Right? One rib.
And some conch thingy about.
Yeah.
Conch, you collect the conch up top.
No problem.
And the shrimp is 50.
Yeah, so I'm on a mission right now to get some conch fritters. Should I put it in? Soda? Yes, this is Oh, it's not ready? Like
What, fritters?
Yeah.
Comforters?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
Yeah. In under the first one.
Oh, I can smell it too. Okay. Just trying to get you guys feeling like the experience right now.
Oh, so you want a photo of it?
Huh?
You want to see it right
Oh
here?
yeah. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. So this comes with a ackee mayonnaise. Yo, that sounds really good. Like when I always thought about ackee, I always thought like ackee was like a kind of type of ingredient that could be mashed and creamed. So like maybe in replacement of avocado, like people could start using a bit of ackee, right? Yeah, exactly. So, yo, I like how they do the thing. It's really nice here. All right. Thank you, sir. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna try not to fall. So it comes with an ackee mayonnaise.
Oh, that's
Yes.
That's nice. I'm happy. Them couldn't get an extra one. Like how 5 away.
Rata.
Yep.
Okay, where do I get a pork belly? Okay, do you need a ticket back? Okay, give me the pork.
Alright guys, so you know Jamaica is pretty warm, but yeah, I was so surprised that the lady was agreeing with me that that the ackee could be used as a avocado, you know, like an avocado kind of paste. So kind of shows like my food sense ain't that stupid. Oh, what's that? Anything good.
Sure.
Oh, look at that. This is a pork belly.
Yeah. I heard the 2 tickets. Okay, those tickets for me.
Oh, it looks so tender.
Anybody in the line waiting
So the
for
shrimp
fish,
and what about the
turkey
shrimp
leg,
and stuff?
chicken?
Y'all get that sauce with the pork?
I'm gonna try to. Lemonade. This is mint lemonade, right?
Yeah. It's great.
It's great, really?
It's really good.
From that being said,
Refreshing, yeah. It's so good.
we need a torch because like you do it every video.
I can't. No, right?
Yeah, come on.
These people.
Come on, let's do it. Alright guys, so
Yes, you have to go to the station to pick up. So, yeah. So did you get your fish? You said that you wanted fish. So you wanted to roll? The thing is that once we stay in the line, either from right to left or left to right, it flows a little bit better that way. So you got your fish, you had turkey neck, you had chicken. Chicken on the chicken. Yeah, so so you leave the juice, you get the juice, you leave the juice ticket, but you get the fish, you leave the fish ticket.
So you know you're eating for them and them things before.
You got breadfruit. Yeah, the thing you finish. Cornbread. Yeah.
Also, get breadfruit?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at the food, yo. Where they get the chicken yet?
No, you're not ready. You're not ready yet.
What you think about the
The ackee thing? Oh, the ackee thing is bomb. The beef is alright. It could use some sauce, which I got, but I'm not digging the guava sauce.
Really?
Yeah. And then I don't taste fritters yet.
So we are still waiting on our shrimp.
Oh yeah, the shrimp not ready, Brandon.
So I'm gonna try to get a seat here and start digging in, and I'll tell you guys, you know, what I think about these things here. Of course, I got the pork belly, but Judah's hogging my food as always. So. Huh? Let me get my food. Let's start eating. Alright. Man, he looking cool. NYPD cop. Where's the badge, sir? Kind of lifting the carrots. Oh, man. Babe, what do you think about the pork belly?
You ain't getting this back. You want to wait on some shrimp, boom? You can taste. You want some? You can taste it in the meantime and stuff.
So it's like what
It was real good.
Alright, so let me no for sure. It's flat trying to invade my food. Well, first of all, these spoons, these straws are very big. It's like a milkshake.
I like that.
It's kind of different, but let me try this and tell you guys what I think.
Oh, Judah, the drink not that cold.
Oh.
So I had to get like 2 drops out.
Okay, so this is
Should I
definitely.
get more than this?
This is a lemongrass. It tastes lemongrass.
Yeah, it's the one.
It's a lemongrass lemonade.
Can I
This It's interesting and I like it. I like
Is
that.
that bad?
I thought it was cold. That's why I like.
All right, so babe, this is the sauce for the
The pork belly.
All right, so let's try this. So I got my pork belly. Now normally pork belly is the kind of meat where some people might refuse it, so you have to really do it really well. Let me try this. One batch.
The fish was could have been a little bit better. Just me. The concrete was. It could have been a little better.
Let me tell you something, man.
It could have been, yeah.
The pork belly, honestly, I feel after trying, because when I go to supermarkets, guys, like pork belly is normally at a very affordable price, but the flavor of this, the texture, the tenderness of this is like, it's freaking amazing.
I like your bread. I wish you got bread instead of breadfruit.
Oh my god. You like it, right? It's good, right?
Yeah. That's so good.
The outside is kind of crispy, the inside is like
It's so tender.
It's tender as shit.
Oh shit! Can we switch? I want to refund my shrimp. Like I swear.
Do it. No, I want to try the shrimp. Go ahead.
But Bannon have shrimp.
It's really good. Anyway, let's try something different.
How long do I have to?
This is the.
How long do I have to wait?
This is the
I'm not sure.
conch critters. Well, I want to try with it.
I want to refund my shrimp.
Do it, babes.
If I'm going to Lumpy, what?
Davin, can I try some of the aki? The aki.
Yeah,
dip?
pretty much.
All right, guys. Some more. So normally when you go places and they pair it with a specific thing, it's good to.
I don't like aki, so I can't try the dip
With the
thing.
shrimp,
Yeah. Did you try it with the dip?
Yeah, the fritters?
Yeah, she hasn't. And it said, yeah, I don't. It says like I can't salvage.
Yeah, I think I the dip cause that, you know. I think I the dip cause.
But I had it without the dip, and it's alright.
And it
It's
tastes like I
like
can solve it?
no, it's just it's alright. Maybe it tastes better with the dip.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, conch for me is not something that I'm like, conch is like the best. I'm not that kind of person towards conch, but it's very conky. If there's such a word as conky. It's very conky. There's a lot of conch inside of it, so that's good. The aki is interesting. I won't say it's like bomb, but it's good. It's good. And I probably not might be the best person to really explain it because, as I said, I'm not really a conch fan, but it's good. I think it's a good rendition of a conch fritter. It's really good. And as they were saying, the aki dip is almost like a sawfish. Can I try a piece of the ribeye? Which one?
Right there, where the little short cute lady is. Yeah. These are the supposed to do?
Let's look at this. What's the sauce for this?
Guava sauce. It's bomb with the sauce. With the sauce, yeah.
Alright, let's see.
I got you.
Thank you.
I really like your bread.
Me too. I like my bread too. Yeah.
So now, you want to taste this roast potato?
I'm a steak fan. And the texture of the steak is really good. I'm not disappointed. Not one. No, babe, not yet. I think the texture of the steak is as perfect as a Jamaican would want it. Because Jamaican people don't really like to have too much red in their meat. This does have a little bit of red in there. Yo, fly, no food good, but love me. Yeah, but this is really good with the guava sauce. Let me try the coleslaw. Now, Judah has her famous coleslaw, so if this coleslaw is better, maybe I can't tell you like my honest. Okay. Let me tell you guys off camera. She loves me. Alright. The thing about this coleslaw, I don't think they're using any mayo. typical coleslaw, I use like mayo and sugar. But this, I'm getting a sweetness from the coconut.
Yeah.
There's a bit of sugar in there, of course. It's sugar. It's the sugar. Or maybe it's like the pomegranate sauce blended up inside of it.
Where do you see pomegranate in that?
I don't know the flavor.
That's purple onion.
No, the flavor. You know them, the seeds. Whatever. Yo, this is the most unique kind of coleslaw I've ever had in my life. I would definitely, I'm digging the coleslaw, 100%. And there's also cranberries in it. And it's beautiful, look at this, guys. It's a really nice coleslaw. It's sweet, it's fresh, it got nice crunch to it. Yo, I love it. So far, I'm not disappointed by anything. But the pork, for me, I think it's top job. The pork is done. That's how good it is. And it's only like, what, 3:30 maybe? And this runs until like 6 o'clock.
Like everything seems to be guava sauce. No, it's not guava. There's like a redder sauce.
What's that like? Chicken.
It's nice,
Is it
you know.
basic?
No, it's nice.
I'm gonna seal one.
It's nice, it's really nice. Tender, juicy.
That's the thing, because for me, chicken is normally boring. So it's you gotta come good to make chicken.
Come deep, like, the seasoning goes deep.
Yeah. Dope.
Yeah.
Try it.
It's okay. It's alright.
Daphne is the best
It's alright.
analyst.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It was a flying grasshopper.
This is the chicken skewer. Looks well done. There's rosemary on it. To be quite honest, I don't like rosemary. Rosemary is a very
does not go
strong
that deep. It's really
flavor, but
no, it's
I'm
on
gonna
the
try and tell you
surface.
guys what I think. Alright,
Manhattan,
let's try it.
and that was wrong.
So we don't get all the sauce for you.
Alright. As I said before, guys, like for me, chicken is a everyday thing. Like we eat chicken every day, so I'm not gonna be easily wowed by chicken. It doesn't matter who made it. It could even be like Chef Ramsay. I'm never gonna be wowed by chicken. But is it cooked well? Yeah. Is the flavor different? Yeah. But I'll never be wowed by chicken. I mean, chicken is chicken. I eat chicken every day. So, but it's good.
Yeah. I wanted it for a bar though. Like to build my own bar type of thing. Yeah. I get breadfruit with it. Like breadfruit. You got shrimp, you got breadfruit and there was something else. I don't remember. What is this? Mango something?
So pretty much Judah swapped out her shrimp for the pork. That's how good the pork is. So we got a piece from Brandon, which is Davin's brother, her older brother.
Younger.
He's taller than you, so he's kind of like your older brother. So I'm gonna try to tell you what this is. You know, you guys know I'm a shrimp guru. You know what I'm saying?
I think my sauce was worth it though. I'm sorry.
100% worth it. It was worth it.
It's good, but the pork is better.
Okay. The shrimp has that kind of mushy texture that I don't like.
Yeah.
It's almost like a creamy type of shrimp. I don't like that. It's not firm, exactly. Like shrimp, it maybe was like overdone, I think. But the flavor is good. But you don't know. What's my name again? Jabba shrimps?
Jabba.
Yeah. Jabba shrimps,
That's
not
all.
this. Jabba shrimps kick this for enough time, 10,000 times. So yeah, good swap, babe.
You know.
It's good enough. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but I'm not
Not
saying.
as good as the pork.
Yeah, as good as the pork. The pork is bomb. So,
Right.
just to give you guys some information, this is in Mount James. It's like 40 minutes out of Kingston, up in the hills, Stony Hillside. Nice vibe. How much did I spend? We spent like what, $4,000?
Yeah.
$4,000. We got two of the pork basket things. We got breadfruit, we got coleslaw, we got 2 drinks, we got sweet potato. So it's a good deal. It's a really good deal for a good rendition of street food. Like, I think it's bomb. And the good part about this too, if you guys are coming to Jamaica, you always have the opportunity to try this because it happens at the end of every month on a Saturday. So normally the menu changes a little bit because like one time they had like caramelized pigtail, which I knew I would have had because I like that type of stuff. So yeah, it's a good vibe, guys. Really good vibes. My friends are here, and I made sure I got Davine on it because I know she's kind of picky. So it's true, like, yeah, she's critical. So like I know that when she gives a review on the food, like I knew it would be like an honest review. So, and they seem to like dig the food 100%. So that's good. I haven't heard from Brandon. What do you think about the food, man? You can't be shy in the vlog, bro. Come on. Oh my God, he's shy. The food
I told him about it.
Up if it's good. Hey, when I got this eye, I don't thumbs down, it's bad.
I told him about the vlog thing earlier, and he was like, I'm not going on camera. I'm not going on camera.
I don't mind. I feel like when Jesus break fish and bread.
Bro,
Bro,
you don't even know. This bread is bomb.
that God, Judah did it to feed the multitude. Okay, every time something comes, just love something to get more.
Oh my God.
Get this, just love it to get. I'm gonna get that for bread. Can I get a piece of it? Bread? Oh, I'm getting that piece of it. This is the cornbread flatbread?
Flatbread. It's regular flatbread. It's made with cornmeal, but it's regular flatbread.
It's a cornbread flatbread.
No, it's not.
Sorry. You want to act?
Go on. Go. I'm gonna go with white shorts on my period.
That's what I want. Why you doing it? What time are we now? Watch out. You put my black up at do that. After how long? Like 30 minutes before the photo?
Yeah.
Oh, he got it for me, so get up.
So they got the flatbread.
Banging. It's good though.
Everybody just done eating pretty much. Waiting on Judah. I ate burgers. Well, I'm still eating.
Not gross, that one. Stop it.
Alright, so I'm gonna big up my cousin Michelle for sending me this post because she's the one who sent it to me and she was like, yo, try to go here. I've always seen it on YouTube or Instagram, not YouTube, Instagram. So big up yourself, Michelle. I don't know, you guys, whenever you guys send me like these cool places or posts, I will come here and I'll try them out. You know, once it's close by. Alright, before I even go, I think this guy got some pain here.
Street food something.
Street fruit, Lord.
Is it there?
Alright, give me
No, you park outside.
how much you can?
Right there. 200 about. The video you make?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man. Shot the on it, you know. Give a piece side, yeah?
So we go street food Saturdays and someone else street fruit Saturday.
Yeah, man. Put it up. Street food Saturday.
Just give me a bag of cane, please.
Bag of cane, yeah, man. Take up any bag here. Street food Saturdays.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I say a thing, you know. This and every Saturday.
We're artists.
You see me? Scatter eyes. Kick out.
I'm at
Alright, so pretty much guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video just now. Remember, if you guys like these kind of videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and give it a like. But let me tell you like my full-on review. The food, every single thing there was well done. The chicken, as I said to you guys before, chicken is like chicken is never special to me. We eat it every day. But everything else was like banging. Like everything there was like really, really good. Nice little vibe. I'm really pleased with the turnout. Like I've seen it on TV where they advertised it, but like there's quite a few people coming in, coming out, having the food, and it's just really good. I'm definitely coming back to another one, but once the menu changes maybe a little bit more, I'll bring these guys again. And yeah, but anyway guys, remember to like the video if you do like it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.